my god, oh my god, oh my god. Come on, keep pumping, bro. I think we're actually gonna make it to 70k, bro. This is actually fucking perfect, dog. Oh my god, we just hit 70k. Okay, go back to the website right now. Move the liquidity, minus button, 100%. Click on confirm. Oh my gosh, we just made. I used this Phantom wallet to make over $996,000, close to $1 million in just a few weeks, launching meme coins on Solana. Stay tuned, I'm about to show you exactly how you can do it too. Guys, if you're tired of losing all your money, stay tuned because I'm about to explain everything how I became a millionaire by creating meme coins. Now, not trading them. Now, a little backstory. I used to trade these meme coins every single day after work, after school, and I'm telling you, I lost all of my money. No joke. I can even show you guys my Phantom wallet from back then. It will probably say $0. Reason being is that I kept getting rug pulled, and every single coin I got in at the wrong moment, and I just kept getting dumped on. Now, what I'm about to show you guys is the strategy to financial freedom. Now, what we do on this channel, we create meme coins at the bottom and then just wait for buyers and then remove the liquidity. As simple as that, walking away with hundreds of thousands of dollars. Now, if you guys are as serious as I am with these coins, you're gonna stay focused and listen up. Now, how are you guys going to create these meme coins? We are going to go over to Coinlabs.Fun. Now, this website will allow you guys to create your own meme coins. And now the thing that is beautiful about this website is that the only website that is legit on YouTube. I'm telling you guys. And the thing that is also beautiful about this website is that it's fully repeatable. You can create your coins every single day, whenever you like, until you are rich. And I'm telling you, the feeling is like none other. You guys will be able to do things you will never imagine with all this wealth you accumulated only by creating meme coins. Now stay tuned. But before we get started, I just want to make it clear that this video is purely for educational purposes only. So please do not copy me, but enjoy the video. Now, if you guys want to be generating hella bread, hella money fucking fast, this is why Coinlabs is the best choice for you guys. First of all, like I said before, it's the best website on YouTube, only legit one out there. Secondly, it requires no coding to launch your coin. So if you don't know the first thing about coding, you are good. Secondly, your coin gets created into the Raydium liquidity pool. Now, what Raydium is the biggest liquidity pool for every big coin out there, like Doge, Peanut, Hasbullah's Cat, all those big coins, okay? And the reason why Coinlabs is so much better than Pump.Fun is because, first of all, when you create your coin on Pump.Fun, it gets dumped into this ocean of bullshit ass coins that don't even get to see the light of day, bro. They don't have any exposure. When you create your coin on Coinlabs.Fun, the Raydium pool will let you guys be in this category where everyone can see your coin. Legit everybody. And also on Pump.Fun, you guys need to hit a bonding curve of 90,000, which is when your coin hits 90,000, it gets liquidity pool, gets put straight to Raydium. But that shit takes too much time. And my favorite way of making thousands of dollars is by going on the copy trending coins tab. Now, what this tab does on this website is go through thousands of coins, random ass coins right here on Pump.Fun, on Photon, all the trading platforms. And what it does, it finds through proven concept coins that will generate you thousands of dollars. Now, my 3 golden rules for it, and listen up. First one is every time refresh the list and find a coin that has a market cap of over $30,000. Now, that is the first rule. The second one is to have a last spot in under 15 seconds. Now, this assures that your coin is still relevant and a lot of people are interacting with it, which is just a good sign for you. And my third rule is to find a coin that has a narrative that is important, that is up to date, that is circling on the news, all that good stuff. I'm telling you guys, this will make it. Now, all of these coins can be created in one single click. All you have to do is click create coin, add your wallet to it, add some liquidity, and just wait for the fucking buyers, because I'm telling you guys, it will go fast. Just a quick disclaimer, this is Mr. Munyan from the future. All of these rugs that you guys are going to be seeing, they're only 2. Basically, I'm on a trip and those are my last 2 recorded launches that were actually pretty good. So that's why y'all are going to be seeing them a hella ton, because I am on vacation. All right, so we're gonna create a coin right now. We're gonna refresh the list. So okay, this coin is over 30,000 market cap, last bought about 15 seconds ago, has a valid narrative. So we're gonna create the coin. Just just gonna write my password. Now, don't mind this, just proceed anyways. Confirm, I understand. Confirm, alright. Now, the website is currently creating my token. So all you have to do is wait, and then boom. That is your coin token address that has been created. Now, if we go over to create liquidity pool, you guys are gonna want to create for the token A, put it to 90%. And then the token B, which is basically the liquidity in the coin, anywhere from 0.3 to 0.5 Solana is a good liquidity. So what we're gonna do for the sake of the video, we're gonna put 0.3 Solana. Now all we have to do is create pool and the coin should be live. So we're gonna be creating the pool. Give it a couple of seconds. All right, so proceed. And then boom, the pool has successfully been created. Now give it a second, and then boom, our token is successfully created. Now we have a liquidity pool for said token. Now all you guys have to do to see your coin is click on view, and here is the coin. Now this is a couple minutes after the launch. And bro, this coin is already at 16k, dropping a bit. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to remove the liquidity. Now, how are we gonna remove liquidity? Well, if you're to remove the liquidity, which I don't think I will, we're gonna press minus, then 100%, and then click remove liquidity. And then if you were to proceed, you click confirm, and then your liquidity should have removed. So we just made what, like 13k in a matter of 5-10 minutes. It's as simple as that. Hopefully this video gave y'all clarity on how you guys can create your own meme coins. Join my free Telegram in the description down below. My website is also linked there, so you guys can launch your own coins very fast. And until the next one, peace.